Hey guys, this is your pal EMDSD14R. Uh, this actually is kind of out of order, but this is going to be the intro video to my Outlander Sport update. So, the next clip you're going to see is a time-lapse video with my new GoPro camera. So, yeah, bigger things are coming to the channel. I'm going to be doing stuff with GoPro now because it's just phenomenal. I mean, just like just amazing footage. Time lapse video, I mean, it's good. So that's the next clip. And yeah, after that clip, then I'll go into the other video which shows the finished work. And then finally, there'll be another clip with me showing what the stripes look like with the emergency flashers on at night. So I hope you guys enjoy this sick video because bigger things are coming to this channel, guys. Bigger things. So be ready. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is an update from my Outlander Sport. Some of you on Instagram know that I got the stripes on over here on both sides, but I just did these here myself just now. I did a time lapse with my GoPro. So I got the kit on Amazon for like 12 bucks. So you get these static resistant gloves, you get the I call it the card, which helps you smooth out the stripes on the car. You get your your knife here, but that's a cheap thing, so I'll get a better one. And then you get, of course, the stripes, which are these here, but I cut them because they're spaced out like that, so I just took these and put them here on both sides. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. I might just leave them off or something, but that's just a mini update for you guys. But not really hard to put these on. Not really hard, but can't beat it. So I got the kit with the gloves and the stripes, like barely 20 bucks on Amazon. And I ordered them on Wednesday and they came into today. So the idea that I was going for was, like, you can't really see it, but at night it would look like that. So like you would see, I was kind of going for something like, I don't know, maybe like a cyberpunk look in a way. But that's the general idea that I had. Have the stripe here and then have like the blinkers on here, to give it like that, futuristic illusion. But yeah, it's not bad. Oh wait, just got another idea. Maybe something there? I don't know. Maybe put something right here. I think that would look cool, but it might be a little much putting those there. But just want to give you guys an update on what I'm doing with my car. I gotta take it to get washed anyway, but before you put stripes on, you gotta prep the area. So you basically can take like a mini spray bottle here with like rubbing alcohol, and then one of these, I forget what they call them, but one of these car rags, and you basically soak the area rubbing alcohol, and you clean it off thoroughly with this, and do it again, repeated as needed, before you apply the stripes on. Because if you just try to stick the stripes on with all the dirt on it, you're going to get imperfections underneath the stripe, and it's not going to look cool. It's going to look crap, like crap. So you got to make sure you clean the area first before you apply the stripes on. So, and it's like, it doesn't have to be like 91% alcohol. It can just be like 70% rubbing alcohol. This is 70%, just like a little teeny spray bottle like this. So not too much to do with that. And yeah, that's about it. So that's the look I was going for. Now I'm gonna take a little cruise and just have some fun. So I'll have another update coming soon. So I'll see you guys later. So that's the effect I was looking for when I put these stripes on, right here. So yeah, that's the idea that I had, and it actually looks really good. It really does. I think that looks cool. It's definitely different. And that's another reason why it's cool that this stripe doesn't match this stripe, because it actually matches the turn signal here. And I knew that when I bought it on Amazon, so that actually worked out really well.